we normally used to like all our life was IT, but from 22 we had made it zero, June of 22. But about 2, 3 months ago, during this budget time and election time, we have gone back into IT. Not so much that IT is some growing great guns, but that its bad news is over. And on the margin, every quarter, uh, they will give you some positive news, hopefully. And another thing is that now, if there is bad news, it won't be like the bad news that you're seeing in consumer and consumer durables that the stocks fall 10% in a day because the expectations are so high and things like that. So IT is like a safe, somewhat hiding, but with the hope that the future is better than recent past.
Uh,
And in that's the thing.
no, just to follow up on IT, some of the data seems to suggest uh, companies in India are once again hiring, or at least they are formalizing those who are on a bench kind of situation. Globally, I think one of the big pivotal moments will be the results in November of the US presidential election. So, in terms of order flows, are substantial upticks expected? Is that your sense for IT companies heading into 2025 and beyond, Samir?
Maybe, but right now we are not thinking of very substantial change, but that the market in India and the investors will be happy if there is more positive news. So, what has been happening so far is that you were getting new orders, but your old discretionary orders were being cancelled or moderated, and TCS, or maybe others also came out, but I saw on a TCS call saying that we have this leaking bucket, which means our existing orders keep getting cancelled and reduced in scope and size, but we keep getting new orders. So now I believe that that transition is over, that your old orders, whatever they were, either the client wants them or doesn't want them, but it's not that all the time you are having to cancel, or the client is canceling the old orders. But I'm not thinking so far that you are going to get massive growth or like 20% type in earnings, which would be considered massive in today's context. But if it is 12, 15% in INR terms on sales and revenue over time, both because of base effect, that for the last 1 year it's not been very great. But more importantly, in the very short term, that there is less negative news. And if there is small negative news, it is being uh, assumed that this is like in the end phase, so it doesn't affect stock prices.